on while I pour.
The neighbors might think,
baby, it's bad out there.
Say what?
Why? They look fine.
Is this Sami's vlog? Or vlog?
What did you say?
Vlog.
Yeah, this is my vlog. Hello, I'm back in my natural habitat. I'm back home. I've been home for a while, ever since Paige dropped me off. Right now, I'm getting ready for Romina's annual Christmas party that she throws every year. A few friends from high school get together and she throws a party and we do like all these fun activities and stuff like that. It's very Christmassy. And each one of us is required to bring something, so I signed up for macaroni and cheese. So I just biked all the way to my supermarket nearby. It wasn't that far, but like, oh my god, I'm out of shape. That biking was so hard. But so I got a pack of macaroni. I might just use one or two. I got two just in case. I'm making macaroni and cheese. Waiting for the water to boil. And while I'm waiting for the water to boil, I'm probably gonna watch some YouTube videos. I'm gonna go pack for tonight's event and sleep over. And we will see. Or I might listen to a podcast. I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling. But we will see.
And then sometimes we kind of we maybe like write a song to a beat. If Emery had made something, he was going to make a beat with his laptop, and so we play around with synth, and be like, oh, that sounds cool, and, you know, we try and work things out, and then that's kind of, it still happens like that actually sometimes. I still write a lot of songs just like that. But I also like have gone and worked with, you know, big fancy pop on my spa day stage, like Julie Michaels and Red Kirsten, which is all like you say
Okay,
that
so,
you're quite
hold
open
up,
yourself. Do you
pause.
feel like that's had an impact?
So I just finished making mac and cheese. Look at this.
On people around?
Look at this. Baby. Looks good. So honestly, I think one bag was low-key really enough. Because that's a lot. But yeah, now I'm gonna go pack.
You told me that story
Keep
and I
smile,
laughed.
everyone.
believe that more.
No, it is a Lauren thing to do.
It's
already made for us.
And
And it's a Halloween one.
3 coins and a penny on some extra. But you gotta ride it better than a Tesla.
Review. When Romina makes us run. I don't know, Romina's running.
So unnecessary.
Romina's making us run.
Girl, if you're gonna buy all the tickets, go for it. Yeah, go buy the tickets first. Buy the tickets first. Save. This is so like something romantic. Like, oh my god.
I know.
I wish you luck.
Why is she running?
We don't need to run. You might as well buy us. She's all the way down there. No. Literally right now.
Gonna go see Bohemian Rhapsody. And it's good. Bohemian Rhapsody.
The longer the better. Let's go. Okay.
Romina, we're gonna go see movies.
I know, we're gonna see Bohemian Rhapsody.
Oh, I forgot to. So, Romina, Kendall Chan, we're back together again. How was the movie?
Don't stop me. Don't stop me.
I know, right? How rude.
I thought they wouldn't get body in love.
They happen in real life, Veronica. What do you mean they're not gonna kill them all?
That's the real.
Happy ending. Freddie Mercury actually did not die. I didn't vlog all day. Look, guys, look who it is.
It's me.
The one only crazy bitch that I know.
I'm back.
We went shopping for 2 hours. Didn't vlog it, obviously, because I'm a dumb bitch.
Kind of shocked, just a little bit.
Kind of shopped. this whole mall is just going out of business. So like a lot of things are like, look at Payless. It's entire store 80% off.
And over here we have Lane Bryant's.
Yeah. Like there's only like
look over here we have Express.
yeah, there's only like a couple stores left, but like most of them are all shut down because this mall's going out of business. Sad. But like, but this is the mall that we would go like after school, in high school, because our school is down the street. But yeah.
We have Macy's Furniture. Are you still vlogging?
Yes.
I'm just gonna take you on a tour of what's left of this.
Your cousin's waiting. She doesn't have a bag. She has nothing in her hand.
I'm kind of sad. She looked for so long and there's nothing.
Merry Christmas Eves, hoes. Quote by Sabrina. So sorry I didn't vlog. I actually was going through a lot, like I've said before, like coming home, like I'm dealing with a lot of stuff. But I do have footage from days that I've been out, and like basically these last 2 vlogs, it's just gonna be like, it's literally gonna say Merry Christmas. I might split it into 2. I'm gonna put like, before Christmas, and then I'll make the last one be like Merry Christmas. But today is Christmas Eve, so I thought, okay, I should vlog. Today's Christmas Eve. I'm not spending the holidays with my family. I am going to spend my Christmas back here in California with Paige in Vegas. So I am working on Christmas Eve. I've just dog walked. I'm gonna be dog walking today and doing last minute Christmas shopping because I'm a dumb hoe and I didn't get any gifts. So and I also need to pack, and I kind of need to do the laundry too because I kind of like don't have clean clothes for the trip. So like a lot is happening today, and busy today. So basically I need to get gifts, I need to do laundry, I need to pack, and I have to do this all before 5 o'clock because actually I don't need to do all of it, but like I can pack later. But like most likely I need to do laundry and get my gift before 5 o'clock because I have work at 5. Yeah, I'm working on Christmas Eve. I shouldn't be working. I highly doubt that anyone's gonna come get boba on Christmas Eve, but like whatever, I'm an employee, not the manager. So yeah, I have to go to work at 5 and I don't get off till 9. And after that I'm probably gonna go grab my crap. My mom's gonna pick me up, and then probably gonna head over to my stepdad's grandma's house, and then we're probably gonna open gifts. I'm probably gonna open my gift before I leave, and then I'm going to take the bus and head over to Vegas. But yeah, I'm heading to Vegas for Christmas with Paige's family, and I won't get there until 5 a.m. the next day. So basically I'm spending my whole Christmas Eve on a bus by myself. Don't you just love that loner's look on me? Lonely, sad girl. I'm kind of mad being out here during the winter because it's actually quite cold lately. It has not been hot. Like, I think like the first day I came back, it was probably like in a high 75 or something like that. But ever since then, like it's kind of been really cold and foggy. Like it has not been like hot. Like my ass is trying to go to the beach, you know? But I can't go because I'm freezing. Like, and I'm like upset that I didn't bring more clothes, like sweater wise, because like I'm freezing and all I have is like I don't know, I have like shorts and tank tops and I can't wear that, and I don't have my favorite sweaters either. So yeah, but I'm gonna stop talking. Bye.
Thank you. Grandma. What?
We all will be together.